Hi friends, this is Bashir Ahmed Gojri with a short presentation on why is India called by various names. India, Bharat, Hindustan. Why so many names? The content in this presentation has been taken from NCRT books of class 6th, class 7th and class 11. The word India comes from Indus. Indus is called Sindhu in Sanskrit. This is map of the India, and in this side is north, this is west. From northwest around 2500 years ago, Greeks and Iranians came. They were familiar of the river Indus. The Iranians called it Indus or in Hindus, and the land to the east of this Indus River was called India. The term Bharat was used for a group of people who lived in northwest and who were mentioned in Rigved. That means the Bharat represented a group of people who lived here in the northwest of India. Later, the same word Bharat came to be used for the country as a whole. The term Hindustan today represents India. Yes, the modern nation state. That means today, if we say the word India, it refers to whole this area which is shown in the outline. In 13th century, a Persian chronicler named Minhaj Siraj described or used the term Hindustan to represent the areas between river Ganga and river Yamuna and Punjab and Haryana. That means to 11th century chronicler Minhaj Siraj, Hindustan meant Punjab, Haryana and this land between Yamuna and Ganga. Babur, the Mughal ruler in 16th century, used the term Hindustan to describe the geography, the fauna, and the culture of the inhabitants of the subcontinent. This indicates while in medieval times the idea of geographical and cultural entity like India did exist, the term Hindustan did not carry the political and national meanings which we associate with it today. That means historians today have to be careful about the terms they use because they may mean different things in different times. The term Hindu was derived from an old Persian word used circa 6th to 5th centuries BCE, refer to the region east of this river Indus. Arabs continued the Persian usage and called the region Al Hind and its people Hindi. Later, Turks referred to the people east of the Indus as Hindu and their land as Hindustan and their language as Hindavi. None of these expressions indicated the religious identity of the people. It was much later that the term developed religious connotations. Now, assessment. The term Hindustan always carried the political and national meanings which we associate with it today. Agree or disagree? It is up to you whether you will agree or disagree on it, and you have to support your agree or disagree, your arguments. Next is the terms historians use may meant different things in past. Agree or disagree? Next is the terms Hindu, Al Hind, Hindi, Hindustan, and Hindavi always indicated religious identity of the people. Agree or disagree? Thank you for watching this presentation. With regards, Bashir Ahmed Gojri. For more such presentation, subscribe the YouTube channel Bashir Gojri.